You seem disappointed, ma'am.
Yeah, well, it seems like the kids don't quite understand the lesson. And it is like they don't take my subject seriously because it's math. And it makes me sad because they didn't know that this could actually help them in their future.
You really do care for your students, ma'am.
Of course, I care and love my students like a parent should. I want to see them grow up as independent thinkers. That was informative. I think I know what the students are lacking. But first, I also need to apply it to myself.
Now that's the spirit.
Alright, class, are you ready for our new lesson?